Today, our Montessori students took their love for nature to the next level with an amazing field trip to a local plant nursery.
Plants, medicinal plants, flowering creeper, flowering trees. Huh? See this. So many varieties are there.
Our young explorers were captivated by the variety of plants from tiny seedlings to towering trees. With wide eyes and curious hands, they touched leaves, examined roots, and learned all about the life cycle of the plants. The nursery staff gave the kids a tour, teaching them about different plant species, the importance of water and sunlight, and how plants grow over time. It was a hand-on experience that brought their classroom lessons to life.